In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add logo to Shopify store. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage the main settings and design elements for your store. Once you are inside, look to the menu on the left side of the screen and go to Online Store, then select Themes. This will take you to the area where you can manage the appearance of your storefront and make changes to your current theme. On the Themes page, find your active theme. This is the theme that is currently live on your store. Click the Customize button to open the theme editor. The theme editor lets you update visual sections of your store and preview those changes before saving them. After the editor opens, move to the left-hand sidebar and click on the header section. The header controls the top area of your website, which is where your logo usually appears. Opening this section will show the settings related to your store branding and layout. Next, locate the logo image block. In that area, click Select Image. You will now have the option to upload a new logo file from your computer or choose an image that is already in your Shopify file library. If you are uploading a logo for the first time, make sure the file is clear and sized appropriately so it looks sharp on your storefront. Once you have selected your logo, click Done. At this point, your logo should appear in the preview area, so you can see how it looks in the header. If it seems too large or too small, do not worry, because you can adjust that in the next setting. Now use the desktop logo width slider to control the size of the logo. Move the slider gradually until the logo fits well within the header and looks balanced with the rest of the page. A logo that is too large can crowd the header, while one that is too small may be hard for visitors to notice. Try to find a clean, professional size that matches your store design. When you are happy with how everything looks, go to the top right corner and click Save. This will apply the logo update to your live store. That is all you need to do to add a logo to your Shopify store. That covers everything you need to know.